Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you a video of our 85 Chevy C10. Really cool truck, got a nice paint job on it. A lot of chrome's in nice shape, custom grille, custom hood. There you can see got a pretty good shine to it. Sun's going down here, so it's kind of at dusk. So, but got the chrome rally wheels, radial, BF Goodrich radial TAs. But a nice two-tone paint. They did a nice job. Interior's good, doesn't need anything there. We just worked on the air conditioning, fixed an oil leak. So, doors shut nice. Got dual exhaust comes out right in front of the tire here. See what we do, got a little crack right here. Cracking some paint, I would say, is what that is. Doesn't really seem like Bondo, but. And they did a pretty neat custom job. They molded in the roll pan there. So that's kind of a custom look. Got custom tail lights. There, of course, is your tonneau cover. Pretty clean truck. Underneath too, there you can see that by the pictures. I got a crack right there too, that you can see. Try to show you everything we can. Like I said, nice clean truck. Excellent driver quality truck. This is one you could show too. It's nice and gotta love Chevy doors. So if you're looking for kind of a custom C10, give me a call, 605-695-7391.